在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。你也知道我要讲什么了，对不对？
万圣节吗？
这个月就是万圣节 ，It's Halloween month. You know, a lot of times we're afraid of ghosts. It's actually people that we're afraid of, and especially during Halloween when we dress up, you know, and we scream and stuff like that. 好了，我们就带大家进入这个状况好了，好不好？
Okay.
好，首先呢，怎么说吓到或受惊吓这样子 ？How do you say being afraid or frightened?
出鏡。
抽奖 ，OK， 就是受惊吓的意思了哈。好 ，Let's use some of these lines for Halloween. 万圣节快到了耶 ，Halloween is coming up soon.
萬聖節，
万圣节，
就會到了呢。
就會到了呢。哎，你今年别扮鬼，又害我受惊吓哦。
Okay.
Please don't dress up as a monster or a ghost again, because I don't want to be scared. OK？
今年
今年
木做鬼嘅，
木做鬼耶，
個開眼出鏡哦，
個開眼，
個開眼
個開眼出
出
鏡
鏡哦。
個開眼出鏡哦，出鏡就是受惊吓嘛。
對，
然后不要扮鬼哦。刚刚讲什么？
木做鬼嘅，
莫做鬼也不要做鬼哦，不要扮成
不要
鬼。
做
OK？
鬼，不要當鬼
Yeah,
哦。
don't be a ghost or a monster. Don't dress up as one and scare me again. And then maybe your response is, 我才怕你的尖叫声呢。I'm afraid of your screams.
愛張鏡，
矮张强，
未死嘅上呢，
被谁给伤呢 ？OK， 吓到那尖叫声是不是？
未死嘅上，
被谁给伤？哦，被谁的声音那样子。
對，就
OK。
像人家這樣子。
哦，对，被谁给伤哎 ？That means the noise of you making all these screams. That's what I'm afraid of. OK， 真的是这个时候会吓死人啊！ All right, so Halloween is around the corner. Let's really enjoy that moment. It's actually kind of fun, but be careful, you know, and don't scare other people. And let's review some of these phrases, such as Halloween, 万圣节
萬聖節，
and then 扮鬼 to dress up as a ghost.
做鬼嘅，
做鬼耶 okay? And then finally, 尖叫声啊，
未死嘅上，
被谁给伤 that means your screams 被谁给伤哎呀，可是万圣节不尖叫就没有 feel 啊，
对啊，
所以还是要哇，但是不要太夸张就好了
Okay.
OK? It's all about the phrase being afraid 受惊吓
出鏡，
出驚 which also means frightened. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
只是张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.